Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. I am using my new camera, the Sony HX80, so definitely let me know how you like the quality of this. So here is this month's box. It is shaped a little bit differently than it usually is. It's a little more on the oblong side. And I'm going to jump in and show you guys what I got inside my box. So this month's theme is Make Waves. So it looks like that. And the first item I have here, and this was my biggest disappointment in the box. I was really hoping that I would get the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, but I did get the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. So it looks like that, and this is the Fair Light one. This has a retail value of $22, and I believe I will be doing an upcoming giveaway for you guys. I have not swatched the colors, nor will I swatch the colors because I want to give it to you guys. So it looks like that. Like, that center color is absolutely gorgeous, but I just can't bring myself to wear those orangey colors. So it's a pass for me, which is totally fine because, like I said, I'll do this in a separate giveaway for you guys. But everything else in my box was pretty cool and that kind of stuff. The first item that I'm like super excited for is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So packaging looks like that. This has a retail value of $28. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the packaging so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what the cleanser looks like. And I mean, that's a hefty size. That's 5 ounces. So you'll definitely get a lot of face washes out of that. So excited for that. The next thing that I was excited for is this made me step out of my comfort zone. Sorry, my hair is just driving me crazy. I was lucky and I got one of the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipsticks. So mine looks like that. And the color of mine is Berry Me. And this has a retail value of $18. And usually I don't try anything on in my box till after I show you guys. Today I went ahead and I put the Berry Me on. I'm glad that it got me to step out of my comfort zone. I like the color, but I think I went too heavy on the eyes, doing them a little bit on the smoky side. Like, this would be more of a fall time look than a spring look for me, but I do like this and I am glad that I got this in my box. The next thing that I was glad that I got was they put in the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadows. So the packaging looks like this, and this has a retail value of $22. And I was really hoping that I would get the purple shade, which is Cupid, and sure enough, I got Cupid. So let me go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys it. And I was going to wear this today. I kind of wish I would have wore this today, but I didn't want like too much purples and berries going on. So that is Cupid. Absolutely love, love, love that. And I should have opened up the Dose of Color to show you guys that. So let me go ahead and open that up so I can give you guys a gander at this. So this is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Berry Me. So gorgeous color there. Absolutely love it, but like I said, it's more of a fall time color, and I'm really glad that BoxyCharm got me to step out of my comfort zone and give something different a try. So my fifth and final item I got is a brow product, and this is Mellow Brow Definer. It has a retail value of $18. I haven't opened this up because it is a liquid brow definer and I do not want it to dry out because I've still been using the iconic London brow cushion that I got in a previous BoxyCharm box. Like, I'm addicted to filling in my brows now because I think it pulls your whole look together. So that is everything I got this month from my BoxyCharm. Definitely stay tuned because either before this or after this, I will have a separate video showing the limited edition skincare box. I also have one of the boxes from the Charm Shop coming too. So I hope you guys stay tuned and watch all those videos. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye everyone.